Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to contact customer support at www.coin.com. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for www.coin.com. Now once you are on the website of www.coin, you just have to simply log in into your account. Now in order to log in, simply tap on the profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Provide your login credentials like your email address and your password, and you will have to simply log in into your account. Once this step is done, on the home page, just before your profile icon, you will see this type of message box. So this is basically the contact support tab. So you need to simply tap on it, and this is the contact us page where you can basically send them a message, and then you will be assigned with a chatbot or with a human who is going to basically take your questions and is going to respond to your problems. So here, let's say I want to type recharge. So you just have to type that and press send, and now the bot or the person is going to send me the message whenever they are available, and this way you can basically contact the customer support at www.coin.com. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.